What's going on, guys? I'm just kidding. Merry Christmas, Mom. This is gonna be my present to you, and I figured I'd do something that was cheap or literally free from the stuff I have already. We all know that it's hard to shop for you because you never want us to spend any money on any gifts for you. So after thinking about it for a while, I thought that the perfect gift for my mom would be something free that I worked hard on that involved nostalgia and old home clips. So here I am about to commentate on the clips of my birth and the clips of my very first Christmas. As you can see right here, Dad is on the phone. That's because he is trying to get a hold of Grandpa to let him know that I was born. However, I am 10 minutes old at this point, so I have no idea who he's talking to on the phone. But whoever this person is getting Dad frustrated because they're asking him questions about the lot when all Dad wants to do is get through to Grandpa, but he can't be that angry because, well, his perfect son was born. And here, everybody has ditched Mom to go focus more on me. This is also the part where Grandma told all the nurses that I pooped all down the front of her. However, this guy is the reason why we won't be spending much time here. I know I'm always cute, but really all this is them just cleaning all the poop off of me because I pooped a lot. I mean, I still do, but you know. Let's just cut to the highlights of this portion. Now, this is the only other cute part I'd say to this section, but once you have the audio to this clip, it's not that cute. I'm screaming, I want to be put down, I want my mom again. I don't want this lady touching my feet. Let's just go to the next part. I'm gonna go ahead and step aside for a second so we can listen in on some adorable family moments.
Alright, can you look at Mom? There you go, good job.
Oh, what a big sister.
Mm-hmm.
You're beautiful, Simmons. I love it. What do you think of you? Oh, I will hold your baby. I'm very careful. Hold her head. One hand under, one hand over, huh?
Can you give me a little kiss? Good on the cheek. Oh, good girl.
Oh, you're a yawner, huh?
What do you think?
Big bubble bell too.
Yeah, you got bubbles, huh?
Cause I died.
What do you think? Pretty neat?
She's on the floor. Can Daddy sit by you?
Hold on tight.
I'll sit by you, okay?
Whoa, Dad's a chairman.
I got your baby too. You like your two babies? Mm-hmm.
She likes his cheeks.
Your bestest big sister, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Me? First baby brother will sleep a lot.
I hope so.
We're friends.
He seems a real good baby already.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Quiet?
Didn't like his bath, didn't like his shower.
He didn't like his bath?
No.
I peeked in there and she hadn't started the bath before I'd walked out and I watched for a minute. He screamed at Dada.
And he would kept doing like this because they wouldn't put nothing on him.
Mm-hmm.
But now that they've wrapped him up, he's quit doing that. I left Tracy and went down to that family waiting
I
room.
can hold your baby brother.
Laid down
Here,
and
I'll put your
she
baby.
was
What's this, Mom?
Extra blanket. Just protect him.
he's got Tracy's nose.
Think so? I thought it was mine.
No.
You need to wrap your baby up, Sammer? You're gonna do it?
He won't open his eyes. He's got him scrunched shut, man.
Yeah, I don't think it is. Well, do you want your baby's bottle again? Yeah?
No, I'm gonna get him out.
Here you go. What a big sister. Oh, Jake.
Big Jake. His chest and is huge.
Oh, she's got that hiccup. Got a pattern.
Mhm.
Where'd you guys find that thing?
The doctor brought it for Sarah.
Oh.
You go.
Mhm.
Sleepy head.
Where's that burp at?
What's the date today? The 27th? I messed with my button, so I didn't know.
She burp? She burp yet?
Now let's fast forward to Christmas of 1999, my very first Christmas, with another adorable moment.
Rip the bow off, dude.
And, he went to the smoothie.
Yeah.
Look it. A Merry Christmas, bib. Yes.
Oh.
Merry Christmas, Jake.
The bow.
I had no problem with that.
What?
Let him touch
Hey, Mom. Hey, good boy.
Merry Christmas.
it. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
I'm just gonna go ahead and skip over this part because I'm not in it and we're all here for me, so let's just skip past it. Wait, let's just hold on a second. It's December 24th, 1999, and in present day, we still have these couches. Alright, let's go ahead.
He's eating the paper.
Yeah. We don't need paper.
Jake. Jakey, hi, buddy. Yeah. Hi, handsome. Simmons, I love you.
It's okay, Mom. I love you.
Yeah.
$24.95 per
All right.
I don't know if we're gonna wait for
Quarter cool box, call 1-800-544-5100 or send 19 for two CDs.
One last one.
Shipping. Cool box, PO Box 50003, Downtown, Colorado Springs, Colorado 809.
Mhm.
Get over there and help Daddy take those twisties out of there.
Dad, I'll help you. Just a second, okay? Just a second, Dad.
Twisties and tape.
Way to help Dad, Samantha.
Hey. What's that? Band-Aid?
Band-Aid.
Cool.
Look it.
All right.
Chucky.
A movie.
Ammonia.
All right. But you're scary.
Hey, Jakey, what'd you get?
He got the drums.
Barney.
Uh-oh. Hey, you drawing this, see?
Cool.
Barney.
See?
All right.
From Chucky and I think.
I think Dad still has his socks, too.
That there on the end, Sammers. No, down there. Close to mine. So on the floor. What's that there?
Right here.
Is that Tommy?
No, that's still.
Oh, what's he do?
I'll show you. Yeah, we can. This is mine.
Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. You handsome?
Try right here. You can play that.
Just looking at Dad.
Naughty,
What
naughty,
is he gonna be
naughty,
playing?
naughty, naughty
What?
boy. He's a naughty boy. Naughty.
Why?
We can't clean up his room. Because he's naughty, naughty boy. Naughty, 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 naughty boy. See?
Oh yeah, clean your room.
Yeah, he's not cleaning his room.
Jakey.
What'd you get?
Books, books.
I think that's all my
Elizabeth, please look at
stocking.
this season.
What's in my other stocking, Dad?
Well, that's about it for what I could find for my birth and Christmas clips. I had a ton of fun making this. It was so much fun to look back at all these videos of before I could remember and just laughing my butt off at how cute and silly me and Samantha were as a child, and my side literally hurts from watching this stuff. Mom, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I hope it takes your mind off of how much I spent for everybody else's presents. But anyways, Mom, I love you, I love everybody else, and Merry Christmas.